How to add fitting chargers. Now let's open cPanel and go to Calculations. For this example, we'll open Window Shutter Calculations. Select Aluminum Shutters, then go to the Fields section. Scroll down and enable the Fitting Charges option. Now go to the quoting screen. At this point, the Fitting Charges option won't be visible yet. Simply refresh the page, then expand the More section. You'll now see the Fitting Charges option. Next, return to cPanel and open Fitting Charges. From here, you can create and manage your fitting charges. For this example, we'll create a standard fitting charge and save it. Now, if we go back to the quoting screen and expand the More section, you'll see the fitting charge we just created. Simply select the required fitting charge, and it will automatically be added to the quote. At the moment, this is a manual process. However, once you've configured your fitting charges, you can contact the BlinQ team and request a default fitting charge for specific products. They can configure the system so the correct fitting charge is selected automatically whenever that product is added to a quote.